Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave, and today we have our 2017 Honda PCX150 motor scooter. Automatic transmission, only 1,894 miles. This one's equipped with a tall touring windscreen and a top case, great for commuting. 2-passenger, 150cc. Automatic transmission, electric start, fuel injected, low mileage, beautiful midnight blue, metallic. Price to sell just $29.99. Save over $1,000 off the price of a new one, plus all the accessories. Come on by. This thing is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Automatic trans. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.